Good evening to you all. So we'll have the class circle chapter. In the previous classes also we did many problems based on the circles, and the worksheet what I sent to this today we have the class. I hope everybody is having the worksheet. I just go with the figure and the answer. Those are already answered, just go through the method again and others copy it down. Okay, now we'll have the first question. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Find the measure of angle BC. So whenever if it is for MCQ, orally you can give the answer. For other descriptive, the answer should be in step with reason. That is most important in geometry. Okay, na? So the question number 1. This is the figure. Today I am writing the circle with free hand. Okay. You have to get the triangle ABC as an equilateral triangle. And when it is an equilateral triangle, it is understood that each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. We need the measure of angle BEC. What is the measure of angle BEC? What is the measure of angle BEC? Yes, what is the reason? Why it is 120 degree? Reason, since ABEC is a cyclic quadrilateral. Before that you should write since triangle ABC, but 60 degree is already mentioned. Directly we can go with the answer. Since ABEC is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle BAC plus angle BEC equals 180 degree. Write the reason here. What is the reason? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral, or you can mention sum of opposite angles is supplementary. Okay, both the reason is correct. You have to mention here. The next step you write 60 degree plus angle BEC equals 180 degree. Therefore, angle BEC equals 120 degree. Your answer is right. Okay, na? Next question. In figure, O is the center of the circle, BOD 160 degree. Find the values of X and Y. Get another figure. Here they are taken. Angle at the center is also, it is 160 degree. We have to find out the measure of X and Y. What is the measure of X and what is the measure of Y with reason? X is 80 degree, Y is 100 degree. Reason, angle BOD equals 2 times angle BCD. Theorem 10.8, or you can write central angle theorem. Therefore, angle BCD equals half of angle BOD. When BOD is 2 times angle BCD, BCD is half of angle BOD, that is x equals half of 160 degree, x equals 80 degree. Okay, next, since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, angle BAD plus angle BCD equals 180 degree. Write the reason. Sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Therefore, y plus x equals 180 degree, y equals 180 degree minus x, therefore y equals 100 degree. So with reason, with the property mentioned, you have to find out the answer. If it is MCQ, no problem. Direct answer you can opt, but for descriptive, we need the steps. Is it clear? Have you all taken? Sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Yes, you are right. Sum of the opposite. So x plus y is equal to 180. But x is half of the central angle 60 degree. 80 degree. Therefore, measure of y is 100 degree. Yes. Now, shall I move on to the third question? In figure, O is the center of the circle. Find angle CBD. Here we use the second property of cyclic quadrilateral. Which is the second property of cyclic quadrilateral? Come on. First property, sum of opposite angles is supplementary. Which is the second property of cyclic quadrilateral? Can anyone? Which is the second property? It is when one of the side of a cyclic quadrilateral is extended, then exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. Here in the given question, it is given like this. This portion is extended. Take the figure properly in your notes also. Question is already with you. So this is angle BCD, CBD. We require the measure of CBD where angle AOC is 100 degree. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. So, this is the exterior angle, this is interior opposite angle. You will have the same measure. To get this, we apply central angle, that is angle APC is half of angle AOC. Angle AOC is 100 degree, therefore angle APC is 50 degree. Therefore measure of angle CBD is 50 degree. Is it clear? Yes, write the property. Angle AOC equals 2 times angle APC, theorem 10.8, or you can mention as central angle theorem. Therefore, angle APC equals half of angle AOC, that is half of 100 degree is 50 degree. So after getting angle APC as 50 degree, the next step is angle CBD, but angle CBD equals angle APC. Write the property exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. In case of triangle, we have exterior angle property. There, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Here it is just interior opposite angle. Therefore, angle CBD equals 50 degree. So try to write the figure properly and write the reason, then get the value of the required angle. Take it on correctly. Is it clear? Don't forget to write the reason in the bracket. Okay? You have to write the reason, then apply the condition, later obtain the angle. Where is 110 degree here? It is 100 degree. How it is 110 degree? Clearly I have given it is 100 degree. Is it? Check it once. Check the worksheet or else check the question on the board and obtain the answer properly. Is it clear to everybody? Shall I move on to the next question? In a cyclic quadrilateral, I think one of the student has given for the question number 4 the answer. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, if AB is parallel to CD and angle B equals 70 degree, find the remaining angles. This type I have worked out in the earlier class. Anyhow, we'll have the figure of this question. Get a cyclic quadrilateral figure. Here it is given one pair of cyclic quadrilateral is parallel. When it is parallel, then we can apply co-interior angles is supplementary. In the given figure, AB is parallel to CD. Angle B is 70 degree. So one of the property here we apply is sum of the opposite angles is supplementary. So B opposite angle is D and co-interior angle is supplementary. So angle C is 110 degree. Okay, na? Right. Since AB is parallel to CD, bracket you write it is given. Therefore, angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Therefore, 70 degree plus angle C equals 180 degree. Angle C equals 110 degree. Okay. Now again, since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So when it is a cyclic quadrilateral, we have the property angle B plus angle B equals 180 degree. Therefore, angle D equals 180 degree minus angle B. Angle D equals 110 degree. After getting C and D, now you can find out angle A again with the property. Since AB parallel to CD, therefore angle A plus angle D equals 180 degree. Write the reason: co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. When a transversal intersects the parallel lines, the sum of the co-interior angles is supplementary. Now angle A plus angle D is 110 degree. It is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A equals 70 degree. This is how we can find out the remaining angles with one property, co-interior angles supplementary. Another property, sum of opposite angles is supplementary in a cyclic quadrilateral. So you have to repeat today's, the yesterday only I sent the worksheet, I think. Points to remember, repeat it again and again, all the points. Take out the worksheet, print out of the worksheet and repeat it again and again so that it covers all the properties of a circle. How many of you have taken the printout and read the worksheet points to remember? Points to remember, have you all read? If you are able to understand that it covers all the properties in the chapter circle, that is the reason I have sent. You can again rewrite in your own handwriting and paste it in your study table, near the study table. Repeatedly, if you go with those two statements along with the previous axioms and theorems, you will be master of geometry. Okay? We'll see that how many will become master of geometry. Now come on, tell me how many of you are ready for to become a master of geometry? How many of you? We'll see. Today itself you will practice those points to remember and writing that again in your own handwriting. Okay? You wrote in your notes? Okay. Yes. If you are able to do all the points what I am going to give up here as a suggestion, if you consider, definitely you will one among the master of geometry. Okay, na? I feel that everybody is ready to do that. Yes. Yes, very good. Next question, very important, very tricky question. Danya, don't give your answer earlier. Okay? Let them all others try. I don't want direct answer. You are the new, so you are not knowing, because if one or two students are giving the answers, others directly they will write it. They should also know how they got the values. Okay? Please go, don't hurry with your answers unless if I ask you. Get the figure. This is the figure, it is given. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Angle DAB 50 degree. This is Y, D, X. Get the figure properly. It is now visible. Also, you have the worksheet with your side. You can easily see the question in the worksheet. We have to find out the values of X and Y. Taken. So now, since O is the center of the circle, AOD is a diameter. What about OA and OB? What are OA and OB refers? Danya, now give the answer. OA and OB are they are the radii of the circle. When the radii of the circle, so they are equal. When they are equal, then the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. This will become 50 degree. Okay, na? Since OA and OB are radii of a circle, therefore angle OAB equals angle OBA. What is X? That is the exterior angle of the triangle. X equals angle, I will write first, angle BOD equals angle OAB plus angle OBA. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Therefore, X equals 50 degree plus 50 degree. X equals 100 degree. What about the value of Y now? What is the value of Y? Yes, X is 100 degree. Now give me the answer to the value of Y. No. Yes, Samhita, you are right. Y is equal to 130 degree. I think some of them are considered this is a cyclic. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. All the 4 points lie on the circumference, right? Therefore, when it is 50, 180 minus 50, Y is 130 degree. Clear? Next step you write, since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle DAB plus angle DCB equals 180 degree. Write the reason. Sum of opposite angles is supplementary. That is 50 degree plus y equals 180 degree. Therefore, y equals 130 degree. Many of them will confuse thinking ODCB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why it is not a cyclic quadrilateral? ODCB is a cyclic quadrilateral or not? If it is not a cyclic quadrilateral, what is the reason? Why ODCB is not a cyclic quadrilateral? It's not a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? Yes, all the vertices are not on the circumference of a circle. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Very good. So that is the reason angle y plus this 50 equals 180. Therefore, the measure of y is 130 degree. Good. Next question. Have you all taken? Is Rachana is present here? Rachana from St. Joseph, Jayalakshmipuram. I want Rachana. Adya from NPS. Adya from NPS. No. Aditi Shetty. Next question. In figure, angle BAD. Very good question. Take two circles intersecting each other in two distinct points like this. Take a straight line. Here also it is a straight line. Join this. And also join the intersecting point also. D, C, A, B, F, E. It is Y. This is X. 78 degree. What is given? Angle BAD equals 78 degree. Find out DCF and angle DEF. Get the figure first. Check on the figure. Can anybody guess the value of x? With reason. What is the value of x? Yes, value of x equals 78 degree. Reason. What is the reason? Angle DCF equals angle BAD. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. It is not sum of just interior opposite angle. They are not supplementary. Therefore, x equals 78 degree. Next, since DCFE is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore x plus y equals 180 degree. I know that we will write the reason. Sum of opposite angles is supplementary. So 78 degree plus y equals 180 degree. Y equals 180 minus 78 degree. Y equals 102 degree. Clear? In MCQ test also you have got many more questions you have solved. In regular class also based on the circle you have solved. Today also you are solving. Still many more questions are there in the circle. I am much pressuring this chapter because this is the continuation part for the next year. That is the reason. So I am doing this apart from prove that, show that few questions which are based on the properties what we have proved. To that I am giving the questions. Okay, na? Is it clear how angle y is 102 degree when x is 78 degree? Sum of opposite angles is supplementary. You have to write the reason. That is the reason I used to ask you people to submit your worksheet. Out of 32, only 5 to 8 are doing the correct way of submitting and others are keeping it with them only. How much I can pressure? Next question. So same type you already worked out. Question number 7. O is the center of the circle. The angle subtended by R BCD at the center is 140 degree. BC is produced to point P. Determine angle BAD and angle DCP. Get the figure? Yes, I hope that you now you can answer same type just now you worked out. The measure of angle BAD and angle DCP are same. Why they are same? You know the reason? Yes, it is 70 degree. Write up the answer. Angle BAD equals half of angle BOD. Theorem 10.8, that is half of 140 degree is 70 degree. Angle BAD is 70 degree. Next, angle DCP equals angle BAD. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. Try to write the property or the reason properly. Therefore, angle DCP equals 70 degree. Okay, na? Next question. In figure, we have to prove AD parallel to CF. To show any lines parallel, either their alternate interior angles should be equal, corresponding angles equal, or co-interior angles supplementary. So any among that if you show, then we can say AD is parallel to CF. Get the figure. Use compass for the figure. To make it easier, they have marked it 1, 2 and 3. ABC and DEF are two set of collinear points. Collinear points mean they are on the same straight line. Then it's understood ABC is a straight line. DEF is also a straight line. Okay? And when it is a straight line, we can consider this as a transversal also. When we show that sum of co-interior angles is supplementary, then AD is parallel to CF. Get the figure properly. Very simple answer, but you have to observe the figure. You all got the answer? Yashas got the answer? Varshat Grishma. What is the 30 degree? Just we have to show no 90 degree, 30 degree, no measurement here. They are not given any measurements. Can anybody relate the answer? How AD is parallel to CF? Yes. How it is 180 degree? How it is 180 degree? We'll have the answer. Since ABED is a cyclic quadrilateral, since ABED is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degree. Sum of opposite angles. But what is the answer now? But angle 2 equals angle 3. Exterior angle equal to interior opposite angle. 1 plus 2 is 180, but 2 is equal to 3, which implies 1 plus 3 equals 180 degree. So they form co-interior angles. Since sum of co-interior angles is supplementary. So by the converse we can say that the lines are parallel. Therefore AD is parallel to CF. Converse, when the lines are parallel, then the sum is 180 degree. If the sum of co-interior angle is supplementary, then the lines must be parallel, hence the result. That is 1 plus 2 is 180, but 2 is equal to 3, exterior angle property. Therefore 1 plus 3 is 180. Since they form the co-interior angles, since the sum of co-interior angles is supplementary, therefore the lines must be parallel. So AD is parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF by the converse of the co-interior angle supplementary theorem. When the lines are parallel, sum of co-interior angles is supplementary. When we prove the sum of co-interior angles is supplementary, the lines must be parallel. Is it clear? Coming to the 3 set of question in question number 9. When this type also we have done, I hope that you can answer question number 9 with 3 different figures. First question, they are given AOC. First you have to find out BOC. Arc BC subtend BOC at the center. B, you have to make it B as D here. Then that will be half of the angle BOC. In the question number 9, first figure, take the point B here as G. Get the figure. You have to find out X. Take this as point D. In the figure it is given B only. This is C. It is 135 degree. Get the figure. Using scale and pencil, obtain the figure. Yes. Angle AOC plus angle BOC equals 180 degree. What is the reason? Angle AOC plus angle BOC equals 180 degree. Again same problem. Final answer, please don't give up now. Answer to my question only, Sonika Prasad. Why AOC plus BOC 180 degree? Yes, it is linear pair angles. Therefore, 135 degree plus angle BOC equals 180 degree. Angle BOC equals 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle BOC equals, what you get? 45 degree. But angle BOC equals 2 times angle BDC. Theorem 10.8. 45 degree equals 2 into angle BDC. Therefore, angle BDC equals half of 45 degree. X equals 22.5 degree. Step by step give the answer properly. Okay. Is it clear? With the figure you can observe what are the types of angles it is showing. So don't consider always circle chapter means circle property only it comes. You may get any property related what you already studied also. Next, another figure in question number 9. Here you have to again find the value of X where AOB is a diameter and COD is also a diameter, and this is joined like this. It is given it is 40 degree and we have to find out the measure of X. What is the measure of X where AOB is a diameter? When AOB is a diameter, what is angle ACB? AOB is a diameter, then angle ACB equal to, is ACB equal to 50 degree? Vijay Kumar BC. I didn't ask the value of X. I am asking what is the measure of angle angle ACB. Answer to my question. 90 degree. Yes, Divya. ACB is 90 degree, therefore angle CAB will be 50 degree. When CAB is 50 degree, these two are equal. That is angle CAB equals angle CDB. Why they are equal? Why they are equal? CAB equals CDB. CAB is 50 degree. So I am telling that CDB is also 50 degree. No, they are not the radii. Come on, give me the answer. CAB equals CDB. Very good. Angles in the same segment. Grishma, you are right. Therefore, when it is 50 degree, the value of x is also 50 degree. So now write first, since AOB is a diameter. AOB is a diameter. Angle ACB equals 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. So this will become 90 degree. When it is 90 is already 40 is given, we can find out angle CAB or BAC. Therefore, angle BAC equals 180 degree minus 90 degree plus 40 degree. 180 degree minus 130 degree is 50 degree. Getting angle BAC as 50 degree, then mention which are the two angles in the same segment. But angle BAC equals angle BDC. BDC, right? The reason, angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. Therefore, x equals 50 degree. Identifying the required angle using the properties is very important. It's not, so you are mentioning the theorem, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Yes. May I know who is Vijay Kumar? Please, name of the student. Vijay Kumar BC. Okay. Shall I move on to the next question? Yes, Bhuvan. I think next question you are able to answer. What is the measure of x? CBD. When AOC is 120 degree, APC will be 60 degree. When APC is 60 degree, angle CBD is 60 degree. Just the same type two questions we have answered. One is angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center. When AOC is 120 degree, APC is 60. Then exterior angle property of a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle CBD equals 60 degree. Okay, na? That completes your assignment. We'll move on to the textbook. Two questions I have left. The statement problem. I'll go with those two questions. Is clear? next question, please. It is a textbook question only. Page number 179, exercise 10.4. Page number 179, exercise 10.4, question number 4. Get the question. Here, if a line intersects two concentric circles, if a line intersects two concentric circles with the head center O at A, B, C and D, prove that AB equals CD. I don't know whether I had done this or not. Thinking that this question is not covered, I am taking this now. Here you have two concentric circles with the same center, different radii. There a line L is intersecting the circle in four distinct points A, B, C and D. We have to prove AB equals CD. Most repeated question, same type of question you will get it in 10th standard circle chapter also. There we are not going any construction will do there. Here we require the construction. What is the construction? Draw OM perpendicular to line L. This is the line L intersecting the circle in four different points. Please take the figure. It is a textbook question. Taken the figure. So here the construction, draw OM perpendicular to L. Can you just imagine which property we need here to show AB equals CD? Any guess? Yes, tell me. Which property is applicable here? Which property? I am not remembering theorems like you people. Please give me the statement. Just give the starting sentence, which is 10.3. Some are writing 10.2 and some are giving 10.3, which is the right theorem. So better give me the statement. Which is that statement? Forgotten? I need the statement. Yes, perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Monish is a new boy, still he is remembering the theorem statement. Yes, not RHS congruency. It is the property perpendicular line from the center bisects the chord. When I draw OM perpendicular to L, BC is a chord to the smaller circle. smaller circle. OM is perpendicular to BC, therefore BM equals CM. I will write here according to your condition 10.3, that is perpendicular line from the center bisects the chord. Next, AD is a chord to the outer circle. Outer circle, OM is perpendicular to AD, which implies MA equals MB. Result to theorem 10.3. Again, I am repeating, perpendicular line from the center bisects the chord. Subtracting 1 from 2, that is MA minus MB equals MD minus MC. MA minus MB, what you get? AB equals C. Hence proved. Clear? After getting, so some of them are given the clue that by RHS, that means you have to join this, showing the congruency. It is very lengthy. When we have the property, directly we can use the property here. Okay, na? So using perpendicular line from the center bisects the chord. These two parts are equal. These two parts are equal. When we subtract, you get CD is equal to AB. Hence proved. Is it clear? Today itself, those who are not yet answered the worksheet, complete your worksheet. Tomorrow with 2 more questions from the 2 to 3 questions from the textbook and extra question, I am going to conclude the circle chapter. After the circle chapter, again I will go back to the first chapter onwards as a revision. Again you can recall the chapters which already covered. Later, after the completion of all the chapter revision, then only I will continue. Meanwhile, those who are not yet submitted the assignments, those who are not regular to the classes, try to complete your notes and regular to the class. Okay? I'll check it. What if you are sent through the WhatsApp, or if you come and give your assignments, then also I do the correction. But don't forget to submit your worksheet, because I want to know whether you are doing it or not. Is it clear, children? Then only I can proceed to the next chapter. Try to complete. I am not making you to pressure for that. Doing the revision, you can go up with the previous worksheets and you can complete your worksheet also. Okay? See you in the next class. Thank you.